Hello, guys. Welcome back to the knowledge world. Here we are going to learn something new, and it is related to the LinkedIn. Obviously, you can see like there is LinkedIn logged in front of you. So, what we are going to cover here now, I'm going to start one series here that is related to the LinkedIn, and the few paid features as well would be there in this one. This is not going to be so many videos. Lineups would be there in this series. There would be like, I think, not more than 10. It would be lesser than 10, and I would try to show you something paid features as well in the LinkedIn. However, if you want to learn about the band sales marketing, so there is the like series which is going on already. If you're a candidate and you're looking for the job, so still you do have an option here. You will get one post, and by back to back there is the series as well. So many videos are there, so you can go to those videos. If you need something, any link or something, you can comment and then I'll add it in the description. So let's come to our main topic, that is LinkedIn. So why we are using LinkedIn as we are main focused on the US IT staffing based websites here, the placements and all. So what we are going to do here, we are going to represent the things related to that only, and this is LinkedIn. What we do in US IT staffing, hope the new person who is in the US staffing, even he knows that we are going to connect people here using this who are in our industry, and that is going to be beneficial too. Let's do a little research here. As I told, like I'll be jumping to the paid feature, but like not in this video, it would be in the coming video. Let's do the free stuff for now, and then we'll see here. Like let's say search here, for example, you're looking for the recruiter, so you will search here recruiter people. And if you want to search as per the locations, you can select, as we are doing for the user staffing. I have selected United States. And company wise, you can as well, like if you want to type, so you can type here. If you want to do the Insight Global company or something, Apex or any another, you can select and you will search here. So these are the things like where you find the recruiters easily, and you need to send the request and all. Let's say whenever you send the request, you need to click on connect, and then there is the option just here, add note. You will leave message here whatever you want to, like if you are having the candidate, so you will mention here. If you want to serve their requirements as recruiter, you will mention here and then send. So this is the way like you can connect to the American recruiters, or as per the company list. Let's say like if you want to approach one of any companies like Inside Global, as I mentioned, so you can just click to the the recruiters related to that company only. And other than that, like we do have other options here. If you are looking for the job, let's say you are searching recruiter here, and you are clicking on the jobs, so you will find out the jobs related to that keyword. If you're looking the jobs for your any skill sets, like on bench, let's say .NET developer, you will search here, you will do enter, and here you will get the jobs related to that. What you can do, like you can find out as per these options here. I'll explain in the next video. So this is something basic what I'm trying to explain related to the LinkedIn. So these things you can do, like you can search for the jobs, people, post, companies, schools, groups, events, courses, services, etc. And as per, so many filters are there, so we'll try to cover in detail as people are asking for the details videos, and also I'll try to make that. Let's come to the home page. Here you can see, like if you want to post something, you can post here. I do have a candidate available for .NET project or Java project, something like that. You can mention here with your official email ID, or if you are a recruiter, you can mention your requirement. I'm looking for the SQL developer for remote project, and our client is in California, head office is in California, or anything like whatever you want to share. And I would suggest here to use tags using hash, like hiring or available, something like that. If you will use these tags, so like it goes to those pages as well where we do have these tags used. So I hope like this basic thing is clear to all, like why we are using LinkedIn and what is LinkedIn, and it helps to grow your network in your industry itself. Like some people, like people who are using who are working the prime vendors or just tier one based, so they use it, and they get the like leads as well, because like this is something where you connect directly with the person. If someone is accepting your request, so obviously you can grow your business. But yes, you need to spend the time. It's not like that you are sending requests to one or two people and they will accept. So I hope it worked out for you. And I think like I'll be explaining more in the coming videos. And thank you for time. Let's watch more videos, and I would try to add up as per your comments. Try to comment in the videos, as many people are reaching me on LinkedIn and on direct numbers and all. So try to comment. I'll try to help in that way. Thank you. Thanks for your attention and all. Thank you.